Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my entire daily routine from waking up to going to bed when I'm alone with my two kids. This video will be in two parts, so this is part one. So I start the day at around 6:30 when my baby wakes up. He can wake up anytime between sort of 6 and 7. So whenever he wakes up, I go and get him from his cot and I take him downstairs with me.
Out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you.
As soon as he wakes up, we go into the kitchen and I make him his morning milk. He has a bottle of blue milk first thing in the morning. As I said, this will be any time between 6 and 7, but this is how he loves to start his day.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No,
So I'm going to get him settled on the sofa and give him his milk, and then I'm going to set up some toys for him to play with this morning. My eldest won't wake up for another half an hour or so we have a little bit of time where it's just us, and I like to get his toys out and set up something fun for him to play with in the morning.
with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch.
While he's happily playing with his toys, I'm going to make myself my morning coffee. I'm going to make myself a caramel latte this morning. I love to start my day with a coffee just to give me that extra little boost of energy that I need on these early mornings. I'm also just going to get a little bit of work done before my eldest wakes up. I need to upload a video this morning onto my Instagram, so I'm just quickly getting that all sorted and uploaded before he wakes up. And he is literally walking in the second that I finish, so that's good timing. It's usually about 7:30 when he wakes up, and he loves to have a cup of milk first thing as well, so I'm going to make that for him while my video uploads. Then it's time to make the boys breakfast. I'm going to get out the toaster and make the boys a slice of toast each for breakfast. I'll also give my eldest a vitamin and a fruit smoothie to go with his breakfast as well. For Cooper, he will just have plain buttered toast, and for Leo, he will loves to have a little bit of Marmite on his toast as well.
So I lost my place in the line to the house of shake, where I was hoping to.
So while the boys are happily sat eating their breakfast, watching some cartoons, I'm going to make a start in the kitchen. I love to start the day clearing and cleaning the kitchen quickly. It just defuzzes my head and gets me ready to be motivated for the rest of the day. So I'm going to unload the dishwasher, load it back up with all of the dirty bits in the sink, and then I'm going to wipe down the kitchen as well. I'm also going to pop the air fryer into some nice hot soapy water and let that soak for a minute. It's been a few uses since I've cleaned this air fryer, and it could really do with a deep clean.
Just got home, I've been hovering around the cool kid compound. Started to look real promising, yeah. 225 lucky stars on a Jeep, that's a price for this guy asking me by
So now that's all done and the boys are just having a little bit of playtime before we have to get dressed, I'm going to take myself upstairs quickly and just pull all the curtains and make all the beds and get all the uniforms and things laid out and ready before I bring the boys upstairs. It just makes everything run a little bit more smoothly and quickly once the boys start getting ready.
Stuck in the base, yeah, it don't matter, I'm still amazing, see, you don't like me more, so let the other noise speak out. I know it can be frightening to let it go.
So I'm going to get out Leo's uniform. I love to have his uniforms all hung up and labelled for every day of the week, so I can just grab the uniform without fussing around in the morning. I'm going to just put this out on the chair for him so he can get dressed as soon as he comes upstairs in a second. I'm also going to pick out an outfit for Cooper to wear today. Cooper is already upstairs with me, so I'm going to get him dressed first. I'll just shout down for Leo and he will come upstairs and he can obviously get himself dressed, but I'm just going to get Cooper dressed first before I do anything for myself.
It breaks my heart, no text, no calls.
Now that my youngest is dressed and my eldest is getting himself dressed, I can finally think about getting myself dressed, and I'm going to put on some standard comfy mum clothes today, just some leggings and a baggy t-shirt. This is pretty much my mum uniform, so I'm just going to lay all this out to get this on. Then we'll all brush our teeth. Obviously I have to brush Cooper's teeth for him, but Leo can do his teeth himself, and then I will brush my own teeth before we all go downstairs with everyone dressed with lovely clean teeth. Once I'm downstairs, I'm going to get ready for the school run. I'm going to make Leo's bottle, put some water in his school bottle. I'm going to get his book bag ready, and then I'm going to get his hair ready as well. He gets the worst bed hair, so I make sure that I style that before he goes to school also.
Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no calls from me. I thought I could shake this off, but I'm not that tough with you. So run away with me, come home with me tonight. Run away with me, it'd be worth the time. Run away with me, I'll make you feel alright.
Then it is time to go out of the door. I've laid out everyone's shoes and coats, and it's time to get all of our things on, get out the door and get into the car.
This time, I'll be good this time. I'll be good this time.
Then I get the boys loaded into the car and off on the school run we go.
Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with
So me and Cooper will come back home after the school run, and he loves to have a snack. He has to have a banana as soon as we come in. It's like routine for him. So I'll get him his morning banana, and I'm finally gonna have breakfast myself a few hours after I wake up. I'm just going to have a bowl of shreddies this morning, and I'm just going to sit with Cooper while Cooper's playing and eat my breakfast.
I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't.
So the morning is when me and Cooper do something. I should be having a PT session this morning, but that is not happening this morning because she is on holiday. So I'm going to take Cooper out on a little treat. We're going to go to the local soft play. The morning is the best time to do things with him because he pretty much sleeps all afternoon. So I'm going to pack my bag with some snacks and some drinks. I'm going to load me and Cooper back in the car and we're going to head over to soft play just for an hour, just to break the morning up and so he can burn off a little bit of energy and have some fun. This time in the morning can really look different every day. It might be that I'm popping into town. It might be that I'm seeing my mum or a friend. Like I said, I might be going to the gym. It can look really different every day, but this is the time of day when we tend to be out doing something. So we come back home now and it is Cooper's lunchtime. I have some leftover spaghetti bolognese that I made for dinner last night. I always try and keep a little bit in the fridge for lunch for him the next day as it's so easy and convenient. So I'm just going to heat up this leftover bolognese sauce just for a few seconds in the microwave. I'll sprinkle some cheese on it as well and that will be his lunch today. I'm also just going to get a little yogurt for him to have afterwards as well.
Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk 'cause you're using it. You got all your...
So I'm going to sit with Cooper, give him his lunch. Bless him, he got a little bit upset because the lunch was taking too long and he got very cross about it. But once he's got a nice full belly, that is when I put him down for his nap and he can sleep for 2.5 hours in the afternoon. So he pretty much goes to sleep now until just before the school run.
Fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the side.
So now he is down for his nap. As I said, I have a couple of hours to myself here. The first thing I always do is tidy up. I cannot stand having toys lying around. I'm very much tidy house, tidy mind. And I'm also just going to do a little bit of housework. The job I'm going to do this morning is the downstairs toilet. I try and do this every couple of days because I live in a house of boys. And for obvious reasons, I like to clean the downstairs toilet. So that is the first housework sort of chore that I'm going to do today. I'm just going to clean all around the downstairs toilet, the sink, the toilet, the floors, and make sure it's smelling and looking really nice and clean. I will do another little bit of housework later on today. But after I've done the downstairs toilet, I actually need to be getting on with quite a lot of work bits that I have to do today. So I'm going to get this done.
But I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out.
Now I've done a little bit of housework, I'm going to sit down and actually have some food. I made myself some lunch. I'm quickly just going to eat some lunch because, like I said, I do have quite a bit of work bits to do today, and this is the only window in the day when I can sit down with my computer and get work done. So I'm going to make the most of it. I'm going to sit down and get through my to-do list, and I'm just going to wait for Cooper to wake up in a couple of hours. And that is where part 2 will take off. So as soon as Cooper wakes up, I will go on the school run and I will continue with the rest of my day. I'm going to show you a little preview of what will happen in part 2 of this video. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you go and find that video on my channel, and as you can see, you will see what the rest of our day looks like. I've pretty much stopped in the middle of the day, so the video will pick up halfway through the day and it will go all the way through to bedtime. So make sure to subscribe and I will see you in part 2.